Hello guys, I'll show you something very interesting. I took a put trade right at the market open. I'll tell you the reason also. In fact, I'll attach the complete live trade of almost 30 minutes, how I managed this trade. After taking put trade, I got three candles on the upside. And it's a Sensex expiry, and I'm holding Sensex. I've taken Nifty and then I've taken Sensex also, but I kept managing that trade despite being option buyer. Option selling, managing is not a big deal, right? Even I can scalp, I can do martingale, I can easily come out. But option buying, where the premium is decaying so fast from 250, it came to 180 also. In between, I've taken stop losses. In between, I've scalped. In between, I've taken the profits. In between, I've taken the stop loss also. And still, despite getting three candles on the upside against me, I am in profit. I've taken a Nifty trade, which is in loss. Sensex, I completely managed by doing quick scalping, and I'm in profit. And I'll show you the complete live trade. And I'm sure that this will be definitely be an eye opener for you, because you are not going to see this kind of stuff anywhere from anyone. That's for sure. Now, see, three candles. Let me show you first. So if you look at this, what happened is this is previous day high. So normally I take an entry when I see the rejection, but I got a late entry. After seeing this rejection, I entered slightly late. I was waiting. We planned that we will enter here right at the open, but the dip was so fast and I got an entry at around 250 level. It's high price. And then then it went up. So initial entry was on the Nifty and then it went up, showing loss. I entered on Sensex, actively managed Sensex. For example, Nifty is 4,000 loss. I started seeing 4,000 profit in Sensex. So it's net zero. Despite going against me, completely going against me. And Nifty is 8,000 loss, Sensex is 8,000 profit. Nifty is 10,000 loss, Sensex is 10,000 profit. That's how I managed. In between, I have taken stop loss. In between, I added more quantity. In between, I have taken the profits also. So everything you will see in this three up moves, and then it came in my favor and I booked my decent profit also in that trade and I closed the trade here. So now if I show you I did this, if I tell you I did this, you won't believe it. Now for that, what I need to do is I have to show you what exactly I've done. And all these are done live in front of thousands of mentoring participants, and all are watching, all are learning. And this is what I mean by skill. You have a view. Many people used to message me, it's your view and my view was almost the same. My view was also bearish. My view was also bullish like you. But end of the day, you made money, but I didn't make money. It's not only about the view. It's not only about the knowledge. It's about the skill. Now, how you learn that? You need to learn from someone who's experienced, who can do it live in front of you and can teach you this is how it has to be done, not theory, not post-mortem, right? There is no point in doing post-mortem. Anyone can do that. You can also do it. So if you would like to learn this, that skill that I'm talking about, after watching this video, you can get in touch with our team. I share the contact details in the description. Talk to them and join the mentoring program. See you there. Hmm. We don't want to jump in so advanced. Let's wait. Yesterday, that's what happened. But sometimes when you wait, you just go also. Yeah, already moved from this to 230. Yeah, so if we miss that by waiting for this, then what we look at is we will look at support rates here. Oh yeah, look at that. It's going to 40. Look at that. Anyone got this entry? Very good. Taken this at 219. Wow. 219. Sensex, you can keep 75,000 put. Wow, great. That's okay, Chedu. Less quantity is fine. That is why you were able to hold for 70 points. If more quantity, you may not hold that much. Reduce quantity. Or yeah, we'll wait. Add some here. I can do Sensex at 228. 228 I've taken. 46 I reduce. Or yeah, 238. Look at that. To 46 it came. We'll reduce some more at 247. 51. Yeah, this I kept it like this. Here I managed. Sensex, we got a good move from this rejection. Yeah, that's what I told you. At important levels, only I'll take Sensex. In between, if I take entry, I'll take it in Nifty. This I have. Now, small quantity only. Into 200. Looks like it can give breakout. Added more at 219. Reduce some at 232. Yeah, next I look at 200 EMA. This previous day high. So if you have any question, type your name properly first. What is this, Sandy? I've already explained the reason and everything for the trade that I'm taking. Reduce some at 232. If you cannot get the logic of these trades, then better you don't trade. Previous day high, resistance level 200 EMA. If you missed it, means then it's not possible every time to keep explaining. I did some more at 206. 200 EMA, that's the level. Yeah, till this breaking, I'll be looking on the downside only. Added some here also. On this side also. Nifty also I've added some puts. Yeah, I have these two. Can go sideways now. Looks like expiry. Reduce some at 224. Tcha. Slippage is so heavy. Reduce some more at 228. Yeah, better try at 200 EMA. If you want to, not here. Because if you take from here and make a move till this, then you'll be in trouble. Some of you have very small stop loss, so you'll be in trouble. So wait for 200 EMA and get a candle like this at that level. Just see a small rejection like this and then enter. Above that, your stop loss. Okay. 32. Reduce some at 235. This one is also picking up now. I'm holding this. Nifty won't make me in trouble. This I need to manage. But that's why I'm focusing on this. Look at that. I got an exit at 235 and now 215. It looks like it is moving to 200 EMA. വേണ്ട അത് purpose. Yeah, again, you are getting a rejection from there. But I would say if your stop loss is small, sometimes you may miss, sometimes it break out also. You wait for 200 EMA rejection. Okay. That is why I'm not adding now. I'm okay with this 100 quantity, whatever I have. So what the advantage is, if it goes till this, I'll add more. Otherwise, this 100 quantity is fine for me. We already booked some decent profit in this trade. This is also okay because for me, this won't make much damage if I'm holding till 200 EMA also. Hardly it go to, 190. So 190, I can do one round of averaging, right? So it won't make me any issue unless it is going to break out. In that case, we'll have a stop loss. That's our stop loss level. Looks like breaking day's high. So a quick momentum to this is possible. But I have only 100 quantity, which is manageable. Yeah, wait for 200 EMA and see a rejection if possible. If you look at this port, it is breaking previous day high. Future is still not there because future lost its premium. Yeah, from previous day high, rejection. I did some here at 205. No, Sandeep, not possible. Not exact same setup for Forex. Both are different instruments. This is index. Index behave differently, others behave differently. Yeah, reversed. I'll reduce quantity. Yeah, look at that. Should have exited instead of reducing. Yeah, I'm looking for if we get a rejection here. Yeah, we need to wait for 200 EMA, touch and give a reversal. If breaking out, then I'll exit this. Three candles are green and at day's high also. Added some here at 195. Reduce some at 210. Oof. 210. I got 205. Reduce some at 215. It's a very good area where you can try a put. But if we have this 200 EMA also touched, it's a very good trade for you. Added some more. And trade Nifty. Don't trade Sensex in that case. Will be difficult if you cannot manage. The way the premium deflate also will be very fast. Reduce some at 212. I'm looking for this VWAP at least first, 230. So that's why I'm holding this 200. These two is what we have. I would have been adding more if it is coming from, like, see, we are trading with green candles. All the three are green candles, but we are trading put. But still we are okay, not in loss if you compare both the trades that we have taken. But we are taking only put, but green candles, only because we were adjusting. Now, if it was here, I could have gone aggressively. I could have taken more quantity if you get a good rejection here. So this is 8,000, 7,000 loss. This is 7,000 profit. So it's like, yeah, that's how we managed. But here I have now good quantity. But I'm not worried about this quantity. I'm only worried as long as it is not breaking 200 EMA. Because one round I'll add here. And if I get a rejection, there is no issue with time decay or anything here. But I have that issue here. So I have to keep actively managing this. Both are same pricing, right? 200, 200. But look at the move in both. This is moving 1, 2 points. This is giving 8, 10 points. 220. Reduce some at 220. Arey yaar, look at that. 15 I got. Sure. Let's see VWAP. 230 if we get. That is VWAP. Yeah, 230 I've placed an order at VWAP. This one came to VWAP. It is closing VWAP. It's 229. 229 twice. I think some of you have, yeah, I got 230. I have 40 here. I have this. 235. Afternoon, I take 1,000 plus quantities. That is why I tell the mentees directly, if you want to trade in that batch, you need to have a minimum risk appetite of 50,000 per day. If you're buying option, if you're a seller, then it's okay. There is no need of such kind of risk appetite. Anyway, we will be in profit in the morning also, and that will continue in the afternoon session also, unless something very bad happens in option selling. So I'll reduce some more at 235. I'll just keep this 20. Here I am okay with this. Call entry, let it come this level, 20 MA. Look at the reversal here. Yeah, sharp reversals. For this, my stop loss will be 209. You keep stop loss 209. 45 to 50. Yeah, how to exit now? Sure. 62. Exited at 267. Beautiful trade. Exited this half at 216. We got 267, guys. Reduce some more at 218. I'll just keep this. We should be done for the day. 221. It came to our buy price only. This is 274. 267 we got. Where did we last entered? 195 we entered. So how many points? 75 points, 72 points. Look at that 230. Oh, it's 214. Sorry. I saw this one. Rejection also sharp. That's why sometimes you cannot wait exactly there because we already have this day's high. But in that case, some of you cannot take a stop loss beyond 1000 rupee, or in that case, you will miss the trade. There is no other option you have because you are waiting for this. If you're not getting it, you're not getting it. Next time you'll get it. Otherwise, what will happen is you take an entry here. If it goes here, your 20 point is taken out. So then you will not be able to hold. And if it is reversing, then it will be a gilt also. No need of that. So we are done. The level that we planned, we executed despite we getting 3 green candles. We got it. Yeah, now let it come to 500. Yeah, Chedu. 500, it's there 20 MA. We have the R3. I'm looking for a support here. I'll give 226. Yeah, you get that 226, you'll get it. To 25. To 25, yeah. We got this, and I'm completely out of both the trades. So we trail till this. Oh, look at that now, 320. Yeah, this one went to 320. Let it come here. We'll look for a small call opportunity. But that's okay. We got till 267 at least. How does 330? So even if 9 EMA give a small bounce, then the premium may lose quickly. But if it comes to this, I'll try to add a call. Okay. Yeah, that is why for both the categories, I've taken Nifty and Sensex. Both together I've taken so that no one is left out. Look at that 240, 340. Taken this at 245. Yeah, we'll add that 20 MA now, unless it is not breaking. Yeah, it's at 20 MA. Added more at 248. To 46 to 48. So to 44 to 48. To 55. अरे यार. Are they breaking 20? Oh, it's taking small support there. Yeah, if break that 20 MA, then gap fill. But looking at the way they got the gap up, should be getting one round of support. If it is Nifty, you can enter this one. 23,500 call. It's like it's breaking. Added more. Two 20 is my stop loss. Place that in the system. Below this is a candle low. 240. Reduce some at 244. Reduce some at 252. Reduce some at 260. Reduce some at 265. Reduce some at 270. Done for the day. 3 trades, Nifty, Sensex call, Sensex put. 280. Stop loss can be cost of this candle. Exited all at 250. I'm done for the day. We planned 2 trades. We got a rejection here. We got a support at 20. This is done. But I don't know how many of you have observed, even in the 3 green candles, despite having puts, I was not in loss. How many of you observed that? Because I kept managing here in Sensex, despite this was going on one side in Nifty. I was never in loss. This goes 4,000 loss, this will be in 4,000 profit. This goes 8,000 loss, this will be in 8,000 profit. And then came everything in positive territory with that move. That is because I kept managing Sensex actively. So see, beginners, even to advanced people, I never recommend Sensex as a buyer, selling also. But if you goes beyond that advanced, right? If you can manage, if you have that mindset, then only you can handle. It's a wild animal. It's a see. Firstly, it is a 80,000 index. 80,000 means what Nifty is. Nifty is 25,000. So the way you handle 20 kg, just think about that you're working out in gym. 20 kg weight, 80 kg weight. You will struggle, you will, you know, whatever you will face, if you even will get afraid when you see that weight itself. 80 kg, right? 20 kg is easy, cool. So never compare this two. Strategy is same, but mindset is different for both. That is the worst part, Chaidu. Yeah, Sensex, what happens is it take our stop loss and then it comes in our favor most of the time in big move. But why stop loss is taken is because we cannot afford to hold that much, no? Our view may be right. So if you see this trade, here I took only a 20 MA. And now it is reversing. Look at that. Where is it now? 216. It is breaking 20 MA. Taken this put at 246. Nifty, I'm trying because breakdown. The candle is looking good, breaking 20 MA also. Just 195 quantity because I'm done with my trades, honestly. Two good trades I got from the levels. I got this also. But but if you tell someone that you made money here, no one will believe. You made money in call side here, no one will believe. Because you see the candle. But our trade lasted for how much time? 44, 45. Within 2 minutes, we are out completely. And if you see the candle, candle is 5 minute candle. Yeah, that came to strike price VWAP and bounced. So why I entered is because it broke 20 MA and now again breaking. And this is a kind of proper inverted hammer. So we get a follow-up or not is what we need to see. Since it's breakdown, let's see if they fill the gap. If not, it's a very small quantity, nothing much and Nifty only. Added more at 238. Added more at 242. Yeah. Entries here. 246, 239, 242. Quantity I have 585. I'm looking for this. Again, look at this. So reduce some here at 248. We'll reduce some more at 254. Oh, two screens, two quantities visible. Got confused. Yeah, it's okay. I have only 195. So whatever I have entered, if you see at 239, I got it at 249. 242, I got an exit at 253, right? So that's how. Let's see if they fill this gap now. Possibility is there, at least on futures. 56. We picked this at 190, guys. It's 380 now. Look at it. 93, 90, 200 points. Reduce some at 257. So whatever I entered at 239, 249, 242, 253, 246, 257. Now I have just 65 left. That's okay. Can be cost as a stop loss. So whatever trades we have taken, 3 trades. One, expecting rejection from day's high, did work very well. Even the 20 MA trade gave us some good points. And then 20 MA breakdown trade. So we entered a put trade from here also, from the high also, and from here also. That also worked well for us. Now, once we get 3 proper trades, do we still need to trade today? No, right? Maybe when they fill the gap, we'll try a call. Otherwise, leave it. We'll keep, this is a trailing stop loss for me to 44. Yeah, this is the use of live market learning. How can someone teach you this in a post-market or a pre-market? That you have seen that I am making profit even in this put trade on this up move. You have seen in this red candle also, actually we have taken a call and we are out of it before it turned out to be red from our level. That is an instant reaction. Now, if someone is teaching, yes, I can make money here. How can I convince that person? But we made it here. That is instant reaction. That is the real market only will teach you and break down immediately. So we have taken a call trade here. And the moment we booked profit and we got this candle, we shifted immediately to the put also. Look at this put trades. So we have the stop loss. Now it is 260. I think I can modify this. I can exit this at 261. So if you look at this trade, even in Nifty also, we took a beautiful trade. Charges are 2000. 30,000 is done. Almost fill the gap. So here futures, they fill the gap. I'm not waiting for spot now. If they fill the gap on spot also, then I look for a call trade. Okay. I don't want to spoil the party. Call I'll try on Nifty only.